Hi everybody, welcome to another video of TF Team Fortress 2 how to build, and today we're going to do Scout. Yes, we're going to do Scout today, and I can show you how to build them if I just give them pieces. So, yeah, it might take a little bit, just like a little bit to build, so hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Alright, you need to cover your screen. So, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. You need to cover the screen. Okay, I'm just doing that for a second. This is how to build Scout. First, you need the gray pants. You don't need an oil thing, but today I'm just going to do the oil thing and some hands and a person that has the hat, blue hat. I'm going to do that. Now the last thing is this, which is the bat, but I don't have the different weapons. I'm only going to show the bat today. Now I can just go do it right here. So this is how to build a bat. First you need this piece, it's right here. Then you need a brown piece. Then you can just stick them together, and that's how to make Scout's bat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Boing.